Hey guys, welcome back here. This is Verified Web. So we've got another airdrop for you today from the Bitverse wallet. So now we just need to download this wallet to receive 1000 BIT token by inputting a referral code. Okay, so let's get into the video. Make sure you watch this video to the end, and the link to participate in this will be shared in the description section. Okay guys, let's install. So we are on our Play Store. We are here to install the Bitverse app. So we are done downloading now. But since we don't have an account with the wallet already, so we click on start now, then we try create wallet. So we'll create wallet, create your Bitverse wallet, then you enter our email address that we want to use. Then we enter the verification code. We get the code. We enter our invitation code here. So we'll go over to our Gmail to get the verification code. So we'll paste our verification code. We click on next. So you see, we'll enter our password, the password we want to use. Then we'll turn on Touch ID, importing blockchain data. So wait. Okay, we'll click on back. We are not doing anything like that. So now we just need to participate in the airdrop. So we'll check home. There should be a section to participate in the Bitverse airdrop. Now you click on this. So you see, now you click on claim 1000 bits. So let's claim that. So claimed, it takes a few minutes to show you see total claimed. Like, you keep on claiming this 1000 bits every 24 hours. Every 24 hours you keep on coming to the wallet app to claim it. So now I've claimed for the day. I come again tomorrow in the next 24 hours to claim by this time. So we head over back and just try check the wallet out and see. It's a bit cool. It's a bit cool. The Bitverse wallet is a bit cool, yeah. It's got some benefits. You can join them on Twitter, follow them on Telegram. I'll do those tags later. Daily login bonus, you see. It's a daily login bonus. There are some tasks you can perform here and earn from, and NFT section also is here. Wow, I didn't even go to know about this wallet earlier, but it's really cool. It's really cool. Fortune and all. Let's check wallet. Guess the wallet, we don't have any token here yet because we haven't deposited anything. Okay guys, that was all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any question for us or suggestion for us, let us know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Until next time guys, peace.